2 days for serious people only. So take the advantage. For serious people only. So take the advantage.
The video you just watched now, do you know that you can make your own video that way? You can make your video play faster or slower. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your video play faster or play slower. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial now. So if you are new in this channel, miracle updates, in this channel I teach simple editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video professional. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay connected as we dive into the tutorial now. So we are going to use YouCut to achieve this. This is YouCut over here. Click on it, then let it load. Okay, once you open, click on the plus icon, then new project, then import the video you want to work with. Okay, so I want to work with this video. Actually, I'll click on it, then I'll click on this arrow. So the video is here. So if you want to make a video faster, this is what you do. Click on the video clip over here. Once you click on it, you'll see speed. Okay, so click on the speed, then you can see you can increase it. Once you increase it, the video will be faster. Are you seeing the movement of the video? It's too fast. Okay, but if you want to make it slower, you decrease it. Are you seeing it? Another thing is that you can use this curve. This curve over here will help you to make some part fast and also slow some parts. Okay, just watch. If you take it up, that means that particular place is going to be fast. If you take it down, that particular place is going to be slower. Okay, so are you seeing it? After setting it how you want it, then click on this check mark over here to save it. So do you see the effect now? One thing you should know in making your video faster, when the video is faster, the video clip will be shortened. Okay, so the length of the video clip will be shortened because the action displayed there is moving fast. When it is slower, the video clip will be extended. Okay, so have that in mind. What I mean is the video clip duration, it will be shortened when the video is faster, and when the video is slower, the video clip duration will be extended. Okay, so another thing is that when you are doing a tutorial video, don't speed the video. Okay, don't make the video faster. Okay, so that people you are teaching or coaching will understand what you are saying. Just slow the video, but don't slow it too much. Just slow it to some parts, or when you are recording the video, slow it by yourself. Don't be too fast. Okay, so the time you should use this speed is when you are doing like a comedy or other things. Okay, so when it is necessary. Okay, so you use it, but when you are doing coaching or tutorial, people need to understand. Okay, so when a coaching video is faster, they will not be able to understand what you are saying in that moment. Okay, so if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to like this video, share it, and also subscribe for more content tips. Okay, and tell me the next video you would like to watch in the comment section. And anywhere in this video you got confused, write it in the comment section. I'll definitely answer your question. All right.